Hello guys and assalamu alaikum. This is me Box here for another video, and today I will be unboxing the LYM DM1 microphone and the Gorilla tripod. So let's get started with the unboxing. And all the products that I bought are from Bonzerpk, so go give them a follow, and they are a really great company. So if you want anything, just buy from them. They are really good. So now I will be unboxing the LYM DM1 microphone. So this is the LYM DM1 mic, and I will be unboxing this and giving you guys a description on it. And I know you guys cannot see me, but this is how I will unbox the products. So this is the mic. As you guys see, it can be used for a laptop, for a camera, or a phone, and it can also be used for gaming and stuff. If you are on PS4 or PC, you can use this mic. And if you vlog on a phone, then you should buy this connector right here. So the mic is connected to the connector and your phone is connected to the connector, so it is easy for you to use it. You don't have to hold it then. So buy a connector separately if you have a phone, because if you have a camera, it is used for connecting this to the camera. But if you have a phone, then buy this connector right here. So without wasting time, let's bring the package. So guys, I opened the box, and now let's see what we can find in this. So first we get the menu, but honestly you have to use this or anything, just throw it. I'm going to be unboxing and telling you guys everything, and this is not oh my god. Okay guys, so after that we have this bag right here. This is the carrying bag. If you have to carry the mic anywhere, they have given you a pouch, so you can carry it anywhere. As you guys see, this is the pouch. I'm gonna really use this a lot because it's a really big and great quality pouch. So this is what you get after the menu, and then you have the mic itself right here. But before showing you guys the mic, these are the two wires that you will get. So this wire right here, as you guys can see, never mind, I said something, but okay, this wire right here, this is used for laptop, camera, or PS4 or anything. If you are on a camera, then both the leads are same, but this one is going to go in your camera and this one is going to go in the mic itself. But I don't need this lead because I vlog on a phone, so I'll need the other lead, which is this one. It has this red part and this black one. So this lead will be used if you are on a tablet or a phone. So I'm on a phone, so I will need this one. So let's keep it right here. And now officially I will be taking out the mic itself. So here is the LYM DM1 mic. First you will have this cover, so the quality is good if you use this, but it's up to you. You can use it like this without the cover. And this is the mic itself right here. And then you would be wondering what is this red thing right here. So this is how you can connect it to a connector. This is the place which is going to be connected to the connector right here. And if you are on a camera, as I said before, you won't need a connector. So if you are on a phone, then you will need a connector that I showed you on the box right here. So this is the connector right here, like this will be attached to the connector. So this is the mic, guys. Now as I said, this lead, if I'm on a phone, so this black lead right here with these 3 black circles on it, this will go into your phone or tablet, and then this red lead will go in the mic right here. Okay, so this lead is used like this. The red part, if you're on phone or tablet, this red part will go in the mic right here. Don't put it right here because this is the place for the connector. Put the lead right here, and this black lead will be connected to your phone or tablet. Then if you are on a camera on a phone or PS4, then this lead right here will go into the mic, and the other lead will be connected to your controller, laptop, PC, etc. or a camera. So this is the mic and the both the leads. So all of this will be in the box that you receive, also the bag to carry it around. So guys, that was the LYM DMM1 microphone for vlogging, and now I will be unboxing the blue Gorilla tripod. So honestly, I will keep the camera up here because it is huge. This is the tripod. Wait a second, I'll just fix it. So guys, this is the blue Gorilla tripod, and also for this you will need another connector. So if you only are going to buy the microphone, then you only need the connector which I showed you guys on the box. Or if you are buying both the things, then you will need only one connector which will have 2 places for the tripod and the mic, both separately. If you are only buying the tripod, then you will need this type of a connector. You will need a connector which looks like this, but this is not fitting on the tripod because it is small. So get a bigger one. So get a bigger connector for the tripod, and they will not send you the connector, so you will have to buy them separately. So guys, the tripod right here, as you guys see, this is called the Gorilla tripod just because of one reason, because as you guys see, it has space and all of like these I don't know what to call these, but these are like stretchable. You can move it like normally, but you can also stretch it from anywhere like this. So I will for vlogging, and if you hold it, then you should make the shape something like this. I cannot make it, it's really hard because it's brand new, but this is how the shape should be, so you can easily hold it like this and record yourself. And if you want to like put it somewhere, then obviously make it straight and then just put it like this. Okay. Just put it like this. I mean, these, as you guys see, these are stretched, but just make them straight. It is really hard for me to just make these straight, but so this is the tripod. And if you guys enjoyed this video, this was my first ever unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, smash the like button, and guys, I'm on my daily YouTube grind because I was inactive for a long time. So hopefully we reach 300 subscribers. We are at 240 something right now. So thank you guys so much for 240 subscribers. Next goal is 300, so please smash the subscribe button, share my YouTube channel so we can reach 300. And these were the both products that I bought from Bonzerpk. Go give them a follow, they are a really great company. You guys would be waiting for this. I will be showing guys the quality of the mic. So let me take it out again because I packed it. So guys, I've connected the mic to my phone and now I will be showing you guys. So this is me talking to the mic from this far away from my phone. I mean my mouth. So if I bring it this close, this is the quality, and also my fan is open. So let's see if this mic captures any wind. I will check it afterwards, but this is the quality this close to my mouth. And if I make it this far, this is how it will be normally. Let me just show you guys. So with the connector, this is how it will be connected to your phone. So recording like this with the mic on your phone, this is the quality of the mic from that far away. Hello, mic testing 1 2 1 2. So this is how the quality like that. And if you are like a prankster or anything, you shouldn't buy this mic, because then this is not for you. Buy the collar mics. If you want me to make a video on 10 really great vlogging gadgets, then do let me know in the comments. So this was the video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys want more unboxing videos or more tech videos, then do let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in the tomorrow's video. Goodbye, peace.